LockDown Browser is a custom browser that locks down the testing environment within Moodle courses. This video demonstrates the Windows and Mac editions of LockDown Browser. Other versions of LockDown Browser work a bit differently. When students use LockDown Browser, they are unable to print, capture screen content, go to other websites, or access other applications. This prevents the students from using instant messaging programs, search engines, or any other digital resources during a quiz. To start a quiz that requires the use of LockDown Browser, the student logs into the course with a regular browser and selects the test. If LockDown Browser has not been installed to the computer, the student can download and install the browser from this link. If LockDown Browser is already installed, select Launch LockDown Browser and start the quiz. If students are required to use a webcam to record themselves during a quiz, a startup sequence will guide them through a webcam check and other items required by the instructor before beginning the quiz. Respondus LockDown Browser is similar to a standard web browser, but several features have been removed, such as the menu bar, the address field for entering web addresses, the Start button in Windows, and the system tray. The right mouse button has also been disabled, along with keyboard operations such as function keys and task-switching keystrokes. Once the quiz begins, students using LockDown Browser are prevented from exiting the exam until it is submitted for grading. Not only are students prevented from going to other websites or switching to other applications, they are also prevented from accessing other areas in Moodle while taking the quiz. Quiz questions can include images, videos, or PDF files just as with a standard browser. If a question contains a link to another URL, it will open to a new secure window that won't allow navigation beyond that initial page. So, for example, if the content in the new browser window happens to include a link to a search engine, the student will be unable to access the search link from that new page. When ready, the student will submit the quiz for grading. It is now possible to exit the browser. All other applications that were running prior to the start of LockDown Browser will be available at this time. Thanks for watching. To learn more about LockDown Browser, please contact your Respondus representative or go to www.respondus.com.